Welcome to Drops on Elite. So today I'll be talking about the 4 free high value airdrops to do today. Now these airdrops are very quite easy to do. So in this video I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide on how to do this particular airdrop. So please, if today is your first time joining us, please you do well to subscribe to our channel, and then all the links I'll be going through is going to be down there in the description. So just go over there, click on it, and then you follow along. Now the first one we have here is this one called the Sosovalue. Now this airdrop is very quite easy to do. All you just need to do is just to sign up with your email. So just come over here, click on sign up, and then you put in your email, then complete the verification stuff. They're very quite easy to do. Now when you're done with this, I will show you, let me show you how the main dashboard is going to look like. Now this is the main dashboard for this airdrop. So once you come over to this place, to have access to this place, you have to click on this EXP point. So once you click on it, you then have access to this main dashboard. Now all you need to do here is just to complete these simple tasks. There's just 5 of them you have to do daily. So and they are mainly just going to their their Twitter, share their daily post, and then comment on that. All you need to do. Now the other one you have to do for the new starters, just to come over down to this place to complete these simple tasks. So once you are done with the connection, that's all you need to do. So just come over here daily, like their posts, and then you advance in your points. Okay, so this is one of the simplest airdrops that you have to do today, and they are very quite easy to do. Now the next one we have here is the next one we have here is this billion network airdrop. So this is one of the easiest airdrop I've ever seen. Now all you need to do here is just to sign up using your email as well too. So just come over to this place, you click on signing up using your email. Now let me show you how the main dashboard is going to look like. Now this is main dashboard. Now so once you come over here, when you're done with verifying your email, all you need to do is just to come back here and then just complete these simple tasks. They're very quite easy to do. Just come over here, verify your email, connect and verify your Discord, and then verify your email as well to complete simple stuffs, and then connect your EVM wallets, and then go to their Twitter page, like and comment in their post. That's all you need to do. And then the daily one you have to do here just to come over to this place and then claim, do your daily check-in and then claim points. So that's all you need to do in this billion network airdrop. So very quite simple to do. And the next one we have here is this one called the Unich Airdrop. Now this is one of the simplest one we have. Now all we need to do here is just to claim FD points by doing simple tasks. Now to sign up for this one, you just need your email to sign up. So just come over to this place, the sign up place, and then click on sign up using your email. Now once you're done with the sign up, you then have to do these simple tasks. So now to claim points here, you have to connect to their Twitter, connect to their IG, their Discord, and then their YouTube page. That's all the first thing you have to do first. And then the second one you have to do just to come in over here to tap to end. Now this tap is just once, you just do the tap, and then you have to wait for another 24 hours before you then retap. Okay, so let me show you the main dashboard. Now this is the main dashboard after you're done with the signing up. Now just come over to this place. As you can see, these points have ended so far. Now as you can see, this is still loading. So after these 8 hours, I have to come back here and then retap again and then complete these simple tasks. They're very quite easy to do. So this is one of the other simplest airdrop we have. Now the last one we have here is this OneFootball Airdrop. Now this is one of the biggest high value airdrop I've ever seen. It's very simple to do. As you can see, they have raised $307 million for this particular airdrop. So it's very easy to do. Now let me show you the main dashboard. And this is the main dashboard. So you just need to sign up using your EVM wallet. So me, I'm using my MetaMask to sign up. So once you have signed into this particular airdrop, come down and then complete these few tasks. They are very quite easy to complete. And then once you're done with that, we are doing it just once. So the ones you can then do daily, just coming over here to do the daily check-in to claim points. Okay, so and as well too, you can also refer to earn more. So now this is very quite easy to do. Now this is the 4 simple easy airdrop that you can do today, and they all have high value potential to give to you. So now, but that's all for this particular video. So if you have any question, please you do well to ask there in the comment section. Please, if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, please you subscribe to support us. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.